Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to online class. Hello everyone. Have a nice day. Dear kids, let's start our math class. Open your books on page number 22. This is page number 22, Unit 8. Dear kids, today our topic for discussion is times. And our skills to learn is to know times by two types of clocks, digital and analog. And the vocabulary is times, clock, AM and PM. First of all, we will discuss time. Time is the duration in which all the things happen. Lunch at 2 o'clock is the example of time. We measure time in seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months and years. Time shown by clock or watch. Kids, now we will discuss two types of clocks, digital clocks and analog clocks. First of all, digital clocks. A clock or watch showing the time by means of displaying digits rather than hands and a pointer. Kids, look at these are digital clocks. They are showing times by digits. Now, analog clock. A clock or watch is called analog when it has moving hands, usually hours marked 1 to 12 show you the time. Kids, look, these are analog clocks. Kids, now we will discuss AM and PM. AM is used with the hours at night from 12 o'clock to 11:59 o'clock at morning. PM is used with the hours from 12 o'clock at morning to 11:59 o'clock at night. Okay kids, now look at your books. There are 3 analog clocks and 3 digital clocks and each has different time. So let's learn time. Dear kids, this is a clock. It has number from 1 to 12. It has two hands. One is long and one is short. The long hand is called minute hand and the short hand is called hours hand. In this clock, the hours hand on 11 and the minutes hand on 12. So the time is 11 o'clock. Now look at the second clock. In this clock, the hours hand on 10 and the minutes hand moved to 3. So 15 minutes spent from 1 to 3. These 15 minutes are called quarter. So the time is quarter past 10. Quarter past 10. Now look at the next clock. In this clock, the minute hand on 9 and the hours hand is going to 3. Kids, 15 minutes left to 3. So the time is quarter to 3. The time is quarter to 3. Now look at these digital clocks. In this clock, the time is 7:30. We can say it 7:30. In this clock, the time is 10:15. We can say it 10:15. In this clock, the time is 3:20. We can say it 3:20. Okay kids, now listen the question carefully. Solve. Draw the lines between two types of clocks that show the same time. Okay kids, look at this clock. In this clock, the time is 3:30, and here the time is 3:30. 3:30 and 3:30. We can say 3:30, 3:30, or 3:30 we can say 3:30. So these two are the same time, therefore we will match it. Now look at this clock. Here the time is 7:20, and here in digital clock 7:20. We can say it 7:20 or 7:20. So these two are matching, therefore we will match it. Okay kids, in this clock the time is 10 to 9, and in digital clock the time is 8:50. This is also PM and this is also PM. Therefore we will match it. This is the same time. Now look at this clock. In this clock the time is 10 to 9 am, and in digital clock the time is 8:50. These two times are the same, therefore we will match it. Okay kids, this is the end of your today's lesson. So please try to understand the lesson and repeat it again and again with the help of your parents. Thank you.